twilight glow. Trout are leaping where the clear streams flow. Cold air bites as the sun dips low. This is the life where the wild winds blow. Through the GNP where the trails run free, endless paths call to you and me. The water's shine and the air so clean, living the life where the earth turns green. ATVs will rumble through the rugged land, carving tracks where the pines still stand. The whisper in the woods hold a steady hand, guiding us through this timeless strand. Through the GNP where the trails run free, endless paths call to you and me. The water's shine and the air so clean, living the life where the earth turns green. Firelight dances, the night feels wide. Stories are told where the spirits reside. The stars above in a boundless tide, a place where the heart and the soul collide. Through the GNP where the trails run free, endless paths call to you and me. The water's shine and the air so clean, living the life where the earth turns green. Firelight dances, the night feels wild. Stories are told where the spirits reside. The stars above in a boundless tide, a place where the heart and the soul collide.